Season 4 has arrived in Dark War Survival, and everything is turning icy. The whole map is wrapped in a winter storm, from snow-covered terrain to frozen resources. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features of Season 4 and everything you need to know to get started. Let's dive in. Buildings. Just like in previous seasons, you'll need to construct season buildings. These buildings will only last for the season and will be removed once the next season starts. The most important one is the thermal lab. It provides virus resistance, crucial for defeating high-level monsters and capturing cities. For example, to capture a level 6 city, you need 9,000 virus resistance. Next, we have smart greenhouses. There are 4 free greenhouses. You unlock the next one by upgrading the previous one to level 15. The 5th greenhouse is available only if you purchase the Season Weekly Pass. These greenhouses produce Icebloom, a key resource to upgrade the thermal lab. Once your 4th greenhouse reaches level 15, you can build the strategic barrack. It is likely to increase troop capacity, like in earlier seasons. Upgrading the strategic barrack to level 10 will unlock 2 armed turrets and 2 defense bases. Turrets boost troop attacks, while defense bases increase troop defense. Resources. Unlike Seasons 2 and 3, Season 4 does not have seasonal mines. You must gather resources manually using other methods. There are 2 seasonal resources, Icebloom and Cryolite. Icebloom is used to upgrade the thermal lab. You can generate Icebloom passively from the smart greenhouses. To increase production, unlock and upgrade greenhouses as soon as possible. Cryolite is required to build and upgrade greenhouses, and likely other seasonal buildings as well. However, unlike Icebloom, Cryolite cannot be generated passively. You must farm it actively in several ways. Monsters. To collect Cryolite, defeat Savagerots in solo attacks and Glacierbanes in rallies. However, only the first kill of each level gives Cryolite rewards. Killing the same level again won't give additional Cryolite. Each level has 3 Savagerots in different factions, allowing you to earn 3 first kill rewards per level. Levels 1 to 3 Savagero and level 1 Glacierbane do not require virus resistance, making them ideal targets at the beginning of the season. You'll likely lose the fight if your virus resistance is much lower than the requirement. But here's a trick: manually join a rally that targets a higher level Glacierbane. If the rally succeeds, you'll get the first kill reward. Just remember, auto-join will not grant this reward. Manual joining is needed. Use the Cryolite from those early kills to build greenhouses and collect Icebloom. Once you have enough Icebloom, build your thermal lab to boost virus resistance, and continue progressing. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Snowman Mania. Season 4 introduces a fun event, Snowman Mania. Throw snowballs at your snowman to level it up to level 70. Each level gives rewards, including Cryolite. You can earn snowballs by completing daily tasks like spending rubies or gathering resources, helping allies by visiting their snowman, receiving help from allies, defeating Savagero and Glacierbane for the first time, and exchanging them with icy emblems at Bob's Supply Shack. Ranking high in the season kickoff event by defeating higher level monsters can earn many snowballs. However, the top rankings are usually dominated by high spenders. Frozen Rescue. When a cold snap hits, some zones turn dark blue, signaling frozen. You can find frozen creatures in these zones. Send scouts to help defrost them. Once they're defrosted, talk to them quickly to receive icy emblems. Rewards are limited, so act fast. You can accumulate rescue counts for rewards. For example, rescuing 10 creatures grants you 128,000 Cryolite, 100 orange skill books, and more. Bob's Supply Shack. You can exchange your icy emblems at Bob's Shack for rare items such as precision parts, exclusive equipment fragments, and more. This shop refreshes weekly, so check back often. You can earn icy emblems from frozen rescue and radar tasks. Season influence. Season Influence rewards you with high-value items like design blueprints, power cores, and more. Earn influence by upgrading the Thermal Lab and defeating Savagero and Glacierbane. These are the basics to get started in Season 4 of Dark War Survival. We will cover more topics as new features unlock. Let us know in the comments what part you want us to explore next. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. Please like and share this video with your alliance. See you soon.